Self-education is important because it opens us up to information that is not widely known but can drastically improve our lives. Humans are so diverse and unique that it is very hard to have any information apply to all people, but that is how society is set up. Schools teach one way and only on a few subjects, regardless of if you are exceptionally talented elsewhere. It is our responsibility to work on expanding our knowledge so that we can solve problems unique to our situation to improve our life. This can be pictured as an information stream. The main information that is known and acted on by society is located in this stream, but that does not cover the entire truth. Powerful knowledge can be outside of the stream, but because it's not mainstream, we were never taught it by someone else. The only way to access it practically is to have self-awareness of your current situation. Understand the problems that you face. And, then go and research those problems yourself. Not being taught the information isn't the only obstacle in the way of you unlocking your true potential. You need to be aware of information manipulators and black holes. When the flow of information is consistent, it's easy for people who are positioned well to make a lot of money. They have learned that if they influence and in some ways manipulate the information in the information stream, they can make a massive amount of money. You will find that as you venture outside the information stream, you will come across a lot of information that conflicts with what is inside the stream. It could be true or it could be false. You will have to evaluate the data and draw your own conclusion. But, you do need to be aware of that discrepancy. In addition, you need to be aware of black holes. Black holes are created to confuse you and to suck up all of your time. There are areas within a topic that is the subject of infinite debate. It might not even be important, but it is still highly debated. Politics is a black hole where there is a constant debate that consumes massive amounts of time even though no progress is ever made. Many times these black holes are manufactured and fed in order to keep you busy inside the information stream and to distract you from other areas that are of high impact. So be wary of black holes as you study information. Don't ignore them, but test them for yourself. Which one works best for you and your uniqueness? Go with that. Don't get caught up in the trap of too much information without enough action. Put it into action and move on to other important information. The information stream is made up of mainstream information that has the tendency to be manipulated and controlled in order to keep things the way they are. Self-education is important because of our uniqueness. So we need to venture outside the mainstream in order to find information that will level up our specific life and avoid black holes and information manipulators as we go. Thank you for watching. If you want to unlock your true potential, check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.